This is Dabu 7 Earthquake and Volcano Update, May 29, 2015. As you can see, we've had a 6.8 quake strike up here off the Alaska Peninsula. Nothing major came of this. Not seeing any reports of significant damage or tsunamis or things of that nature. Granted, this happened 9 hours ago. Anything that went down, any tsunami-wise, is done, came and passed. But it does mark the beginning of bigger quakes coming back to this area. You know, a couple of years ago, Alaska used to ring like a bell up here, just like Southern California does. This area around Anchorage and all around up where Harp was, all that. It was just constantly buzzing. And we would see every now and then quakes hit up in the major 7.0 range. And all too often, anytime a quake does hit that 7.1 range, they're almost always downgraded to a 6.9 or 6.8. When looking through USGS logs, it's astounding how many 0.8 and 0.9 quakes they have when you start to move up, because if not, you would be having higher level quakes. And to me, it's giving a false reading on what's going on, especially when a lot of other agencies will stick with the numbers they put out there. You can see here, Japan just had this huge eruption. It's on the highest alerts. And at this point, they're saying that they have advised evacuation of that entire immediate area. Residents were fleeing by boat. Check it out. So I'll leave a link so you guys can watch some of these clips on the eruption. Some photos. They've got all kinds of different clips here. But that is going to affect flights in the area, depending on where the plume goes. And we're just going to have to sit back and see what happens with this one. Volcanic activity. It's something that I've been expecting for a while here. Iceland hit with a 3.3. And you can also see here, Central California hit with a 3.4 9 hours ago. If you look down here, 3.4 at the exact same time as this big quake. And of course, the 5.1, that was very shallow. Once again, right around that Eureka area. Coming right off this line. So that's a look at some of the latest quake activity, volcano activity. I'll leave links, keep you guys posted as I come across more. This has been Dabu 7. Peace.